I have a 1999 Chevy Tahoe. It has a crank, no start. We're thinking it might be the fuel injectors, the spider unit, which is going to be this blue thing with all the wires coming into it that goes down and injects into where the spark plugs are at, down over here. So we did remove it and change the fuel pressure regulator, which is located in here. So we did take off all the bolts, took off the plastic top, and replaced the fuel pressure regulator. Secondly, I did look up the crankshaft sensor because it was pulling a code for the crankshaft sensor. So I did look at a video on YouTube previously, and it told us that it was located over here by the starter. You could see the starter down there. I cleaned it off so it's a little bit cleaner than usual than it was, at least. I don't know if I can get down over here, but that is the starter down there, so you could see that kind of in that crack down there. They said that the crankshaft sensor was above that, so you have to remove it. That was not true. I found that the crankshaft sensor on the 99 Chevy Tahoe was located down here. I'll show you here. So that has been just recently replaced where that connection goes in. That is the crankshaft filter, or the crankshaft sensor, I'm sorry. And that senses a rotation of the crank. So we've yet to figure out what the problem is. I do put fuel in the carb, or the air filter, and it does kick over. I did check the fuel pressure by pushing this, and it does pull fuel, and it squirts it out actually when you push the ignition to start the vehicle. So it'll actually fuel pump. You know that the fuel pump and the fuel filter are actually allowing gas to pass to the motor. I'm not a mechanic. I'm doing this all myself, and I will continue this video to show what the problem and the diagnosis was. This is a 99 Chevy Tahoe I just bought. It had been running for the last 2-3 months. I changed the rotor cap back here. I changed all the spark plug wires. I changed the spark plugs. So I'll let you guys know what it is, and maybe somebody else will run into the problem where the crankshaft sensor is, and I helped out with that at least. Like I said, we might be taking the top off of this and changing out the whole spider unit, which is the fuel injection unit, and if I do that, I will be making a full video on that. Thank you for watching.